Guys, here go another episode of sewing. So guys, if you guys see, we're going to make this maxi dress. I just want to show you guys a quick little tip. So we're using this dress as a pattern. If you guys see, I cut it out the armhole and I cut right here by the neck. And guys, we're going to flip this over and make it evenly, guys, so that we can have it evenly, and we're going to cut out the other side. So I'm going to switch the camera to the other angle, and this will be a real easy sew project, guys. And this maxi just going to go all the way down to the floor. Not thin spaghetti scrap, but more no sleeves. This will be real simple. I'm going to switch the camera to the other angle, and I'm going to show you guys how to finish cutting it. Okay, guys, so we're going to move this part. And, guys, we're just going to flip this, and we're going to cut out the identical side to the dress, guys. And then we're just going to sew it down the side. So if you guys want to make clothes and you guys don't feel like you don't have a pattern, or you feel like you won't be able to accomplish it, yes, just take a dress that you guys already have and you guys can do that. So I'm going to show you guys. You just fold it over, and then we're going to cut it, and it's going to be identical to the other side. Okay, guys. So if you guys see what I did, I just took it and folded it over. So now what I'm going to do is cut out this side, pin it down, and we're going to be ready to sew, guys, with no pattern. Alrighty. Okay, guys, so next step, this is what your dress should look like, if you guys see. And then when it comes to the neck hole, guys, how we tell the front from the back. If you guys see, the front is lower than the back. So that's all you'll do, is just do the front from the back. And you can tell what part is the front dress or part is the back dress. Or sometimes people may put labels in their dresses. I do have labels, but they packed up. I don't know where they are. But anyway, that's what your dress should be looking like. And now it's time to go on the sewing machine. Alrighty. Hey guys, so this is what you guys should have. After you do that, you should have this. So now, guys, what I'm going to take is some extra fabric that I have, and I'm going to make a bias, and I'm going to hem the neck hole and armholes, guys, and it will be complete. So when you guys make your bias scripts, just take them and cut it on the scratch length. And I'm just going to make it, and I'm going to hem my neck hole and armholes. So I got this script. So when you do the bias, you do it right sides together, guys. And you hem it going around, and then you flip it over. And the same thing with the arms. So just make your bias, guys. And you have these little, you know, like when it's really, really hot outside and you don't really want to put on nothing real fancy, just make these little maxis. Just make them, and you could just walk around the house in these little maxis. Nothing fancy. So, alrighty, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye, guys. Oh, and I need to put on a bra. Because, yes, this... So, yeah, but if you just around the house, then you'll be fine. But just wanted to show you guys. And I just made it very long to the floor. So, thank you guys for watching. God bless, guys. Bye-bye.